The Dow just hit an all-time record close, the S&P 500 just finished its 8th straight winning week, and OpenAI just officially filed its IPO paperwork today. This was one of the most historic closing bells of 2026. Here is every number. At the closing bell, the Dow jumped 294 points to 50,579, a brand new all-time record close. The S&P 500 rose 0.37% to 7,473. The Nasdaq gained 0.19%. The Russell 2000 led all indexes up 0.91%, its best day this week. And the key to today's rally? Bond yields finally pulled back. The 10-year Treasury fell to 4.558%, giving the entire market room to breathe. 10 of the 11 S&P 500 sectors finished green. The biggest sector story this week: healthcare. The S&P 500 healthcare sector finished up 3.4% for the week. It was its best performance since November. Dexcom led the way with a 17% weekly gain. Bio-Techne jumped 11%. Baxter International surged 11%. And Spotify popped 6.3% today. Meanwhile, Workday surged 7.8% on strong earnings. And now the story that will define the next decade of investing. OpenAI officially filed its IPO paperwork today, with Goldman Sachs and Morgan Stanley leading the deal. No valuation disclosed yet, but combined with SpaceX filing its prospectus on Thursday, this week marked the beginning of the most historic IPO wave in stock market history. Two of the most valuable private companies in the world going public in the same week. This has never happened before. But here's the warning Wall Street dropped today. Goldman Sachs says rising yields and inflation are creating a risk of correction. And consumer sentiment just fell to a new low. The real economy is flashing yellow. The gap between Wall Street and Main Street has never been wider. Markets are closed until Tuesday. But OpenAI's valuation and the SpaceX roadshow are just starting. Follow right now, because Tuesday morning opens a completely new chapter.